You're live. Hi Daljit, welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Hi, thank you for calling me.
So what is keeping you busy these days?
Workouts. Trying to work out. That's what is keeping me busy.
Okay. And what is happening show wise? कब वापस आ रही है Daljit on screen?
ये
Because
question
fans बहुत miss कर रहे हैं.
I know. ये question मैं actually खुद को पूछ रही हूँ हर रोज. अब मैं कब आ रही हूँ वापस? When is the day? A lot of things worked out, but फिर last moment पे कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई and it's very तो अब फाइनली मुझे लग रहा है कि अगले महीने आई थिंक कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मैं करूंगी बट अगेन आई डोंट वांट टू जिंक्स इट बाय सेइंग इट बट आई होप आई एम आल्सो मिसिंग द शूट एंड आई एम मिसिंग गोइंग ऑन द सेट नाउ
व्हाट डू यू मिस द मोस्ट
यार that excitement of playing somebody else, that excitement of आज इस character में क्या होने वाला है so as an Indian daily soap actor it's very exciting क्योंकि हमारे Indian drama में बहुत turn and twists होते हैं so I miss sitting in the car and thinking आज कौन से scenes आने वाले हैं.
Okay, so आपके बहुत सारे fans आ गए तो उनसे पहले interact कर लेते हैं. So we have Aman Bhatnagar is asking what kind of acting roles do you prefer?
यार anything and everything but I should be excited about it और मुझे ये श्योरिटी होनी चाहिए कि मैं अच्छा उसको निभा पाऊँ तो anything just give it to me on the platter and I want to do it.
Okay. Your fan pages are saying you hi.
Hi guys.
They were really waiting for you.
They are so sweet. I feel tired कई बार क्योंकि मैं उन लोगों को जवाब नहीं दे पाती and they are always like so excited. So special kiss for you guys.
Okay, so Shikha is saying you hi and she's asking which show has been very close to your heart.
That's a very tough question. I have played every character to the best and I think क्योंकि अंजलि बहुत popular रही तो by default अंजलि is my closest not only because it was popular because मुझे बहुत सारे shades उस लड़की को देने का मौका लगा and also Manjima to a very strong level.
Okay. See, they are asking when are you coming back? Which show are you looking forward to? सबका यही question है. Mostly सबका यही है.
I think ये तुम लोगों को एकता कपूर मैम को और रश्मि शर्मा मैम को उनको बोलना चाहिए when is Daljit coming back? You should ask them. That's what you should be doing.
Okay, so Nikita is asking that Anjali the character, what has the character taught you?
Yeah, it made Anjali was a very naive character और अंजलि में एक innocence थी जो last में उसके husband की वजह से I think वो destroy हो जाती है. But the power that she gets by the end of it, it was empowering क्योंकि मुझे आज तक याद है जब हम वो shoot कर रहे थे जहाँ मैं शाम को थप्पड़ मारती हूँ मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि सन्नाटा छा गया था because हमने पढ़ा script and we were very excited कि चल एक और scene है but when we actually shot that scene मतलब बहुत टाइम तक they were like nobody was talking normally because ऐसा था कि shit Anjali slapped so I think I discovered her strength while playing her so it was very empowering.
Okay, so Arpita is asking that how is your bond with your Is Pyar Ko co-stars and how are you guys so close like friends?
I think you all know we are best of friends and आधे से ज़्यादा भाई नहीं तो बहन नहीं तो friends बन चुके हैं अब it's been so many years. I think the bond started during Is Pyar. Obviously उसके पहले मैं सनाया को जानती थी but as friends नहीं थे but we knew each other. But it was really nice हमारे शो के दौरान हम दोस्त बने और अब तो it's like family. दुख होता है तो knock knock, खुशी होती है तो knock knock. So it's a lovely bond, touchwood.
Okay, so a fan of yours, Kayu, she's saying I loved your character of Manjari Ma in serial Kala Tika.
Thank you so much. Manjari was I think epitome of power as a woman. जिस तरह से वो supernatural बोल रही हूँ ऑर्थोडॉक्स सोसाइटी के अगेंस्ट खड़ी होती है जिस तरह से वो अपनी बच्ची को प्रोटेक्ट करती है एज अ सिंगल पेरेंट इट वाज वेरी मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें मैं रिलेट भी करती थी क्योंकि उस दौरान कोइंसिडेंटली मेरी जिंदगी में करती थी तो आई यूज्ड टू फील कि शिट यार women have to be powerful there's no choice sometimes so yeah thank you for mentioning Manjima.
Okay, so she is asking that what motivates you to become an actor?
Yeah, the fact that I can do it. मैं डांस शायद बहुत अच्छा नहीं कर सकती लेकिन मुझे पता है कि मैं एक्टिंग डिसेंटली कर पाती हूँ तो that's nice.
Okay, Ankit is asking that how has this change been from like your weight loss change?
It's again, I think मैंने अपने अंदर से एक और इंसान निकाल लिया. बीच में मैं almost 32-33 kgs ऊपर थी, and you know I used to look at myself in the mirror and I used to be like, ये कौन है, इसको मैं जानती हूँ शायद, you know. So I wanted to take out myself out of that woman, and today I can say I've done that, and the process is still on. I'm still not very convinced. This is not me yet. So still few months to go.
Okay, so your fan page called Daljit Universe, they are saying, love your each and every character, especially your character of Ma Shakti, because we receive lots of positive thoughts.
Oh, how nice they mentioned Ma Shakti. Wow, guys, you guys really do love me. Ma Shakti again came from nowhere. मुझे literally रात को call आया और you know मुझे बोला गया कि आपको कल बड़ौदा निकलना है, and it was really tough क्योंकि मेरा बेटा है, and
yes,
you know it was a big challenge क्योंकि 2 महीने के लिए निकलना था, तो it was a very big decision. But I'm so happy कि मैंने suddenly ऐसे चल देखा जाएगा, let's go. You know मैंने जेन का स्कूल मिस कराया and I went there. बट मुझे माँ दुर्गा के इतने सारे रूप प्ले करने को मिले, यू नो, राइट फ्रॉम काली टू चंडी माँ टू यू नो लाइक पार्वती, कितने सारे रूप प्ले किए और उनके पीछे की कहानी प्ले की. और माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरीज में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लैंग्वेज होती है, संस्कृत लैंग्वेज होती है जो मैंने कभी नहीं प्ले की थी. यू नो वी आर वेरी इंग्लिश काइंड ऑफ पीपल. तो पहले दिन मैंने स्क्रिप्ट देखी, ऐसे आपने गलत इंसान को बुलाया, आई हैव टू गो बैक और बहुत फंबल किए. But I was very lucky. Amit Sagar sir was my director, and he said, "तू कर लेगी, तू टेंशन मत ले." And then धीरे-धीरे I built it up. In 2 months, I'm very happy today कि मैंने उस चैलेंज को लिया क्योंकि मेरी हिंदी बेटर हुई. मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें पता चली, you know, माँ शक्ति के बारे में. So yeah, the Daljit Universe guys, you guys are my rock stars.
Okay, so Girja Sharma, a fan of yours, she's asking if you will be offered a show like Is Pyar Ko with the whole cast again, like Arnav, Kushi and all, so will you be there for that project?
यार और गॉसिप करने का मौका लगेगा, हम लोगों को और टाइम मिलेगा तो यार श्योर. अगर हम सबको साथ में बुलाया जाए तो आई डोंट थिंक अब हमको, यू नो, देयर इज अ क्रेविंग ऑफ जब भी हम बात करते हैं इस प्यार की, एंड आई थिंक इतनी बार इस प्यार वापस भी बना, और वरुण हैड कम तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी, एंड आई वाज रियली प्रेइंग इट वर्क्स, एंड यू नो, बट नाउ आई थिंक हाँ ये जरूर अगर एक चांस मिले, हम सब साथ में वाकई में फ्री हो उस टाइम पे और करें तो हम लोग तो सब साथ में बहाने ढूंढते हैं तो इट विल बी फन.
ओके, सो आपके एक फैन है सुमन, शी इज आस्किंग वेयर आर योर लॉन्ग हेयर.
ओह आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक इन द सैलून गॉन, उसका विग भी बन चुका होगा. मैंने कटवा दिया था यार. देयर वाज अ फेज वेयर मैं एक्चुअली बहुत गुस्से में गई थी, पता नहीं क्यों गई थी वो मुझे अभी तक नहीं मालूम. और मैंने एक दिन जाके, मुझे गुस्सा कहीं निकालना था और मैं किसी और पे निकाल नहीं सकती हूँ, आई कांट हर्ट एनीबॉडी. तो मैं जाके ऐसे काट दो सब काट दो, तो मैं छोटा कटवा दिया, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओह शिट आई डिड इट. अब वो जा चुका है और कोई विग पहन रहा होगा कहीं पे.
So Ankit, your fan is saying that you're looking perfect, no more slimming please.
Oh, that's very encouraging. Hi, thank you. I don't know what to say. I'm not very good with compliments.
Okay, so Kritika is saying that we loved your character in Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do. Please do something like that again, please.
Like I said, call Ekta ma'am, call Rashmi ma'am, not me. I'm not the audience. They are the audience. Tell them Daljit needs to do it, and then I will do it for you.
Okay, so Ankit is asking that will you do Big Boss ever in your life?
I think yes. Why not? I mean, if they are like, I don't know. I might. I have talked to them a couple of times, or it didn't work out for a lot of reasons. But yeah, मतलब मैं try तो करूँगी. मुझे लगता है मैं पहले हफ्ते out हो जाऊँगी, but जाऊँगी जरूर. कभी तो.
Okay, you like painting?
I love painting.
Yeah, so your fan pages are asking that please tell about your painting love. Like,
oh, the one that I posted. So basically, midnight, 2 of my best friends, Pallavi and Vartika, encouraged me saying, you know, you paint and you should sell. I said, I've never sold my paintings. I've made a lot of paintings. I've gifted it away. I've made big paintings and I've gifted it away. So they encouraged me, and I asked my fans also, do you think you should do it? And I'm very surprised everyone said, yes, please go ahead. So I'm very nervous. But I think I want to make one painting, okay? So I'm not sure when. It might be today, it might be after a week, maybe 10 months, I don't know. I'll make one painting, okay? And I'll put a post on it. देन आई विल सी कि वाकई में उसके लिए कोई बिट करता है कि नहीं. बहुत बेइज्जती हो जाएगी तो मैं अपने घर पे टाल दूंगी. I really don't know what is the worth of my painting. My friends are very confident that I paint really well. और मैंने आज तक उन्होंने मुझे बोला ये वाली बना दो तो मैंने बना दी. तो मैंने as such I don't know, I'm experimenting. तो एक मैं अपने दिल से बनाऊंगी and I'll leave it to all of you. And if you guys really like it, tell me what's the worth, because I don't know what my painting is worth. And if it ends up doing well, so then I might pursue it as my second, I don't know, career or a side business or whatever, I don't know.
Amazing, multi-talented Daljit. Okay, so Shehzadi, one fan of yours, she's asking, how was your journey in Kalatika?
Oh, it was beautiful. The two girls, I miss the smaller girls more because मेरी journey ज़्यादा लंबी उनके साथ रही. और सरगम, I have to mention that kid. She was 8 years old. मेरे scenes बहुत होते थे और मैंने उससे बहुत सीखा. You know, I used to have scenes जहाँ पे वो मुझे challenge करती थी. मंजिमा आज हम glycerine के बिना रोके दिखाएंगे. And I used to be like, oh shit. You know, it's not about glycerine, but एक बच्चे का confidence उसके character में इतना दिखता था. You know, because we know how to cry and we know. बट मैं उसके साथ जब सीन्स करती थी मैंने इतना कनेक्ट किया है. और लिटरली मुझे याद है कि डायरेक्टर कई बार रो देते थे और कई बार मैं एक लाइट पेन को रोते हुए देख लेती थी. बहुत एक्साइटिंग लगता था कि एक बच्चे और मेरे सीन्स में बहुत पावर है. तो द जर्नी वाज ब्यूटीफुल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एल्डर गर्ल्स फेनिल एंड सिमरन आल्सो डिड वेरी वेल. एंड मेरा बहुत अच्छा गैंग बना उसके बाद. बट आई डू मिस द किड्स.
Okay, so Pratibha is saying you're so beautiful. We want to see you more on television. Please don't go missing.
Rashmi Sharma, call them. I don't know, I really want to do good shows too, but एक लालच है कि मैं you know, getting a show is not difficult. I can pick up, you know, maybe a character or whatever. But एक लालच रहता है कि ऐसा कुछ करो जहाँ you know हर रोज like I said मेरी सबसे बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट एज एन एक्टर होती है कि मैं कार में बैठूं सेट के लिए और ये लगे कि आज क्या होने वाला है. उसके लिए एक अच्छा रोल मिलना बहुत जरूरी है. Touchwood, I'm lucky. Usually I'm approached for really good roles and roles which I think are very challenging. तो उसकी वेट मैं कर रही हूँ और बातें चल रही हैं. Let's see if something nice comes up then.
Okay, so Arshi is saying that you are an inspiration to many single moms. You are doing great job with Jaden. Thank you.
How sweet. Thank you. I don't know how much of an inspiration I am, but I love my kid. The journey, I think, gets difficult, gets easy, gets okay sometimes. But I'm happy that when I look at my son, I just want to do the right things, and I want to do it double the speed. So he's like my motivation. So I'm doing what is best. But I think you guys have always been so supportive. Is a very small word. You know, like I have seen so much support. It's not funny. And it keeps me going. So thank you for acknowledging it.
Okay, so we'll play a fun game with you.
Okay.
So have I and have I never? You must have played, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, so have you re-gifted a gift that was given to you?
Yeah, lots of times. Usually, you know, जो शादियों में आते हैं all of that. Yeah, take it. Don't need it. I have 2 crockeries already.
Okay, have you ever fooled around with a family member?
Fooled around? Yeah, all the time. I'm like the naughtiest in my house all the time.
Have you ever punched someone?
No, damn. I want
shit.
to. That's like my dying dream. I want to punch somebody.
कोई मिल जाए आपको जल्दी.
कोई मिल जाए रियल में.
Punching
शूटिंग
bag.
में बहुत एक्शन सीन्स किए, बट रियल में कभी मुझे हाथ साफ करने का मुझे लगता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन it's the dream of the woman.
Okay, have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
Sleeping? Not.
Sleeping.
No.
Okay. Have you ever failed a class?
No. Not failed. Like थोड़ा सा पास हो गए, अब बच गए. वैसा वाला बहुत बार हुआ. Fail नहीं हुआ.
वो तो सबके साथ.
This time survived.
Okay. Have you ever walked out of a movie because it was bad?
Yeah, yesterday, and I will not name it. Yesterday, in exactly probably 18 minutes, I was out of the theater. I was like, what? But I'm not going to name the movie. It will become a controversy.
Okay. Have you ever faked illness to stay home?
During school, yeah, lots of time. But my mom eventually didn't buy it. She's like, chalo, bahut ho gaya, chalo.
Okay. Have you ever cried in public?
Oh, yeah, that's a wrong question. Yes, I have. Not very proud of it today, but yeah.
Okay. Have you ever lied to your parents about where you were going?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. And lastly, have you broken any traffic signal?
Must have, but I try to. I'm one of those irritating people who stop even in the middle of the night जब red and पीछे से honk करते हैं. So I'm definitely sitting in one of those cars. I like to abide by the rules.
Okay. So I have a lot of I always send a lot of messages to Rashmi ma'am and Ekta ma'am to bring you in new serial.
sweet.
I hope you also do. Like you also want to that.
How sweet. Thank you. Thank you. They better listen.
Okay. One fan is asking, why are you not aging?
I don't know. You just said it and I'm 10 years younger. I don't know. That's really sweet. I think I am aging. का बुढ़ापा आ रहा है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आ रहा है. I'm not letting it come. You know, I look at Jaden and I'm like, when he grows, I have to stick to what I am right now. That's what I'm working on.
Okay, so Dipanshu is asking that tell us 3 things that bonds you guys, like the entire team.
Ispyarko. I think the fact that everybody is a wonderful soul, you know. Second, we are very creative people, extremely creative people. Like, you know, everybody has a talent. तो creative हम जब साथ में होते हैं तो creatively I think we connect on different levels. Even you'll be surprised, Varun's wife, you know, Sanaya's husband is an actor himself. Even their you know, spouses are equally talented in their own field. So there's a lot of intellectual conversations that we have. There's a lot of reciprocation of your thoughts.
Yes.
So बहुत कुछ है relate करने के लिए. तो yeah. So you can summon it in much more than 3.
Okay. So Girja is asking that what are the similarities between you and your character Anjali?
Oh shit. I think I literally had a parallel life at that time. Lots. I think Anjali had that faith which, you know, which I think every girl has, which I relate with today. And I relate with her power that she had eventually because I became strong eventually as well. So yeah, Anjali very celestially was quite similar to me. But मैं थाली के साथ नहीं घूमती थी. मैं पूजा की थाली के साथ घर में नहीं घूमती हूँ. That's an exaggerated version of Indian television. मैं घर पे ऐसे शॉर्ट्स में घूमती हूँ.
Okay, तो फैंस पूछ रहे कि जेडन मस्तीखोर है कि नहीं है?
यार शांत, वो बहुत शांत है. मस्ती करता है. You know, he has his cranky moments. But अगर आप मिलोगे तो आप बोलोगे यार ये बड़ा ही शरीफ बच्चा है, you know. तो शांत है. He is very emotive. Like वो बात करता है, discuss करता है इस age में, you know. If he doesn't want to go to school, he will have reasons. At the age of 4, he will have reasons. Mummy, I want to sleep. Mummy, I don't want to go there. Mummy, I think I will watch TV. So he'll tell me reasons why he doesn't want to go, which is very unlike kids, you know. And शांत है. He's not very troublesome.
Okay, we'll play one more game with you. It's a song game. So
oh no, I have a bad voice, you know that, right?
So you just have to guess the lyrics.
Oh, shukar hai.
Okay, so I'll tell you the English translations of the Hindi songs.
Oh shit.
And you have to guess these Hindi songs, okay? So the first one is, oh, saw a girl and felt like this, saw a girl and felt like this, like a blooming rose.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा.
क्या बुरे हो आप, तो एकदम परफेक्ट हो.
गाया नहीं ना इसलिए अच्छी हूँ. गाने लग गए तो ये बेचारे अब भी ऑफ करके भाग गए.
नहीं सब है यहाँ पे, वो भी खेलेंगे.
Oh shit, no.
Okay, the other one is just like the need to breathe, just like the need to breathe. For your life, all you need is the darling to love.
Oh my god, just need to breathe.
Just
मुझे
like
सांसों की जरूरत है ऐसे.
परफेक्ट. ओके, इतने अच्छे और आप बोल रहे हो मेरे क्वेश्चंस फेल हो रहे हैं.
इंग्लिश की हिंदी में करी, मुझे गानों का समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
Okay, the other one is every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
हर पहर वो बदल रहा है, छाँव धूप.
हाँ ये क्या
हर घड़ी बदल रही है. हर घड़ी बदल रही है. वही ना वो
हमने लिरिक्स
लिटरली ट्रांसलेटिंग. यश चोपड़ा वाली फिल्म यार, कम ऑन यार.
यस परफेक्ट. हर घड़ी
बदल रही है. बहुत प्यारा गाना है लेकिन.
यस, वेरी नाइस. Okay, the other one is day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
दिन खत्म हो रहा है.
हाँ मतलब
दिन खत्म हो रहा है.
Fans can also help Daljit.
Guys help, seriously.
Day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
दिन खत्म हो रहा है. What? Tell me my fans can do it. Guys, come on. I'm relying on you on this one. I have no idea what the song is.
वो अभी तक कल होना होगा गैस कर रहे हैं. वो हो गया.
Day is about to end.
Twilight is on the way.
Twilight is on the way.
Let me go, I have to go.
Let me go, I have to go. मुझे जाना है, जाने दो.
हाँ ये तो गैस
ये तो करेक्ट ही है.
हम
खत्म हो रहा है दिन है, बता दे यार दिन क्या।
चलो, आपकी एक फैन हेल्प किया है, प्रतिभा उसका नाम। ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम।
वो वाला, ओ प्रतिभा थैंक यू यार, यू सेव मी। मुझे कहीं पुराना गाने, नए नए गाने सोच रही हूँ।
अच्छा, नहीं सारे पुराने, मैं आपको बोलना भूल गई। Okay, the other one is, what happened to your promise, that bow that belief, the day my heart forgets you will be the last day of my life.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा।
Perfect. The other one is, oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
Say it again.
Oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
ओ नदी के
ओ नदी
के ओ यार ये भी पुराना गाना है। ओ शिट, क्या
है? दिस नाइट,
ओ ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा।
ओके, द लास्ट वन इज,
oh no there's more.
Yes last. Okay, so my heart is each and every time desperate to hear it, say no you love me, keep saying it that you love me. My heart is each and every time desperate to hear it, say no you love me, keep saying it that you love me.
मेरा दिल हर वक्त something कह रहा है। क्या guys help me in this? मेरा दिल हर वक्त कह रहा है something guys help। हाँ,
दिल help। अभी तक तो कुछ
I'll have to know because they can't hear your voice. What is it called?
My heart is each and every time desperate to hear it. Say no you love me.
Keep
saying it that you love me.
They will know it. I have full confidence on these kids. Come on guys. Do they know?
अभी तक तो कुछ आ नहीं यार।
Please
guys help.
पल दिल के पास नहीं।
Okay, so they are saying ask again. Okay, the song is, my heart is each and every time desperate to hear it, say no you love me, keep saying it you love me. This is the last one. अगर help कर दिया तो दलजीत जीत जाएगी।
Come on guys. हर दिल हर वक्त ये कह रहा है कि तुम ही हो। वही क्या?
नहीं।
Damn. क्या लिरिक लेके कहीं मेरी आवाज तो चल रहा है। Oh damn, no, I don't think I can get it. Come on guys, you can do it. I'm very bad with this.
No, it's a wrong song.
No guys.
So अंकित ने guess किया है पल पल दिल के पास, but it is a wrong one.
पल पल दिल के पास नहीं
है।
It's okay.
चलो मैं बता रही हूँ
बता
वाला। Okay, it's दिल मेरा सुनने
को। Oh, there was no way in hell I could have done this.
कहो ना प्यार है।
I remember the step though, but I didn't know the song.
Okay, so you have to sing a song for your fans.
Oh my god.
Last. अच्छा, अभी एक फैन ने आपकी हेल्प कर दी थी, उसका नाम ले ही लेते हैं, गिरजा ने।
गिरजा, thank you for telling the song. मेरे बस का नहीं था।
जब तक वो टाइप कर रही थी तब तक मैंने गा लिया।
But thank you, good job गिरजा, good job. गाना मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ।
एक कोई भी गा दो चलो अपने फैंस के लिए।
वही तुमने अभी, वो बहुत प्यारा गाना है।
हर घड़ी
नहीं, हाँ वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन something like that which is little, ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, कहाँ दो दिलों ने कि दिल भर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा, ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
Such a sweet voice and you're saying नहीं है मेरी आवाज
इतनी मोटी है, but okay.
See, अभी आपके फैंस बहुत डिमांडिंग हो गए, दिल दिया गल्ला गाइए प्लीज हमारे लिए।
ओह इसकी लिरिक्स।
वैसे दलजीत जब से आई है तब से यही गाना गा रही है।
बट मुझे लिरिक्स पता नहीं है।
एक लाइन गा दो।
दिल दिया गल्ला करांगे नाल नाल रह के, अख नाल अख न मिला के, दिल दिया गल्ला।
See, they are saying that you should try singing also.
नहीं बस पेंटिंग बहुत है मेरे लिए। अगर मैंने सिंगिंग की कोशिश की तो तुम लोग सब स्टॉप ब्लॉक में गायब हो जाओगे। एक लाइन के लिए बड़ा अच्छा इंप्रेशन क्रिएट करती हूँ, अगर मुझे गाना पड़ गया तो yeah, no, I'm not going there. I don't want to lose you guys.
Okay, finally a message to all your fans जो यहाँ आए आपके साथ chat करने
Oh, they have been with me, I think, through thick and thin, good and bad, flops and hits, and I love them. I love you guys, and I've actually come here because मैं live करने की बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ, but I'm very bad at it. I'm very good at posting pictures कि कहीं photo आई और डाल दिया और then forget about it and then I read comments. But live आके बोलना वो सब मैं ऐसे कर सकती हूँ, तो मैं नहीं कर पाती. So I'm really happy कि आप लोगों के through I came here and there's a lovely platform and I met these kids and they helped me win also. I'm so happy.
Yes.
But thank you so much guys for always loving me and wait, I will come up with something really nice. I'm very hopeful कि कुछ अच्छा हो. अब हो तो कुछ अच्छा हो. So
keep coming live often.
Yeah, I will try. I'm very bad at it.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.